So this is my vlog all about my first ever lighting setup. So if you follow me, you know I usually create travel content, but of lately I have also started exploring the world of cinematography. And for cinematography, lighting is the key. So I thought of having my own home studio, and for that I have ordered some really interesting stuff which I will unbox right in this video. So stay tuned in it. And we'll see how do we turn this normal background with just room lights on to a cinematic one with my some special tools. तो वो change भी आपको देखेगा इस वीडियो के end तक. So stay tuned and let's start unpacking this stuff now. So मेरे पीछे पहले सारा सामान रखा हुआ है, थोड़ा सा है but बहुत important stuff है. So let me show you that first. So these are all my stuff which I have ordered from this C stand. So ये stand actually मतलब lighting के लिए होता है, जो भी हमारी key light है उसको उसमें लगाएंगे, फिट करेंगे. Then this is the softbox which is very important, softens your key lighting. तो उससे बहुत harsh shadow नहीं आती, harsh look नहीं आता है, right? Then here is a black curtain. इसका भी कुछ यूज है जो मैं आपको आगे बताऊंगी. And then very important and very demanded stuff, the light. So yeah, it's a bit heavy because इसके अंदर है हमारी key light और then ऊपर रिंग लाइट है, एक और लाइट है and then एक RGB लाइट है, exact लाइट. So इसको one by one unbox करेंगे and I'll show you के how I'm going to set up for each thing. And it's really I'm really excited क्योंकि हर चीज़ को सेटअप करने के बाद क्या लुक आएगा, बैकग्राउंड कैसा होगा और उससे हम सिनेमैटिक वीडियो कैसे क्रिएट करेंगे. ये जर्नी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, बट दिस इज स्टेप नंबर 1 एंड चलिए वन बाय वन इसको अनबॉक्स करते हैं. सो सबसे पहले हम अनपैक करेंगे इस सी स्टैंड को. इट्स अ वेरी हेवी स्टैंड. लिफ्ट करके दिखाती हूँ. सी डिस्पाइट दैट आई कैन लिफ्ट वेट्स, ये उससे भी हेवी है. तो आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस फ्रॉम Amazon. Yes, I ordered this from Amazon and it's a C stand. Usually light stands आपको मिलेंगे which are normal light stands जो आपके 45 degrees तक वो bend होता है. But this is a C stand. ये पूरा मतलब ऐसे 180 डिग्री पे भी हो जाता है, 360 डिग्री इस पे मतलब रोटेशन भी हो जाता है. So it's quite useful because I have a lot of cinematic video ideas in my mind. जिसके लिए I would need a C stand. But the only drawback is its price. अगर इसको ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा तो like my touch my ceiling fan also, but yeah, this is how it is. So this okay, hold on. Wait. So ये एक रॉड है, ये आई गेस उसमें अटैच होगा, ठीक है, फॉर यू नो रोटेटिंग द लाइट. एंड इसको साइड करते हैं. दिस इज द मेन स्टैंड. यस, वाव. So this is how it looks. See, this is how it looks. इसमें पूरा सिस्टम दिया हुआ है. See, ये पूरा सिस्टम है, तो इसको अटैच करेंगे यहाँ पर से. I guess कुछ ठीक है, इसको कुछ तो करेंगे. तो अनबॉक्स कर लिया है इसको. ये ऐसी डिजिटेक का है, लेट मी टेल यू दैट एज वेल. इसको अनबॉक्स तो कर लिया है, अब इसको कैसे अटैच करना है वो भी चेक करेंगे. बट या दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स एंड इट हैज सम अदर स्टफ आल्सो इनसाइड द बॉक्स. let me check that as well. Oh, yes. This was the main thing which I missed. Yeah. मेरे को तो इसको ही अनपैक करने में हालत खराब हो गई है, बट सी वेट, सो आई एम अ वेरी मेसी अनपैकर आई गेस. तो ये सारा स्टफ है. सी सो हैवी, bolts are there, joints है proper, then bolts are also there. and ये एक्चुअली में सी स्टैंड अगर आप लोगे तो उसमें ऐसा आपको व्हाट यू से बेस मिलेगा. ये बेस है इसका, बिकॉज इट होल्ड्स इट लाइक दिस. ये प्रॉपर तीनों स्टैंड्स पे टिकता है. So the next thing we are going to unpack is this curtain. Curtain is a very important addition to studio because मुझे यूजुअली डार्क बैकग्राउंड्स पसंद है. एंड जैसे मैंने वीडियो आइडिया सोचे हैं उसमें आई वुड नीड डार्क बैकग्राउंड बिकॉज द डार्क बैकग्राउंड डजंट एब्जॉर्ब डार्क बैकग्राउंड डजंट रिफ्लेक्ट द लाइट, इट एक्चुअली एब्जॉर्ब्स इट. तो उसके लिए हम ब्लैक कर्टन यूज करेंगे. It's a very smooth quality, you can see. So this is the next stuff, which is a softbox. So ये ready to install softbox नहीं है, इसको हमें proper install करना पड़ेगा. I didn't order this online. I purchased it from a studio in my city. तो इसको आप purchase कर सकते हो. थोड़ा मुझे I guess थोड़ा नहीं, काफ़ी मतलब 2000 लेस पे मिला है मुझे. तो again I'll put this the link of this softbox in the video in the description box. Yes. So this is that. तो इधर से पूरा अटैच होता है. हमारी जो की लाइटिंग होगी उसमें this part will be attached and it will spread like this, and then we will have this cover. These are the pins which you see. अभी जब ये पूरा सेटअप हो गया ना then आपको समझ आएगा. बट अगर if you already interested in cinematography, आपको पता है थोड़ा भी knowledge है, so you will definitely understand how this works. But for those who don't know and still starting off, उनके लिए this is going to be very interesting. तो इससे भी interesting चीज़ है मेरे पास. Let me share that with you. So now the only and the most important part left is the actual lightings. तो इसके बाद हम lightings को unpack करेंगे. And सबसे important है, सबसे interesting lighting है the key light, which I was really excited about and बहुत टाइम से चाहिए थी, which was the Godox lighting. And here it is. So this is how it will look. And here it is, Godox SL100B. It's quite heavy, so it's quite a nice light to hold, and it's heavy also. Let's go आगे से. This is the actual light, and it has really amazing features. So I have two more lights for my setup. One is a ring light which will act as a fill light. So this is an old light which I was using some time back. So I'm going to use the same one for for my fill lighting, to fill up the shadow this key light will create. So that. And then I have this colored light which is from Simpex. So I'll be using this as my ring light or hair light. It has several colors in it. Let me show you. Here it is. This is a handheld light, so I can use it very easily, like this, or for any other effect as well. And it works very easily. So yeah, this is how it works. See. and then it has 3 modes, and you can change the temperature and colors like this. See the colors are changing. It has buttons on the side, and then just the brightness, change mode, and yeah, there are several things. So yeah, that was my unboxing, and now I'll straight away go to set up my studio or my lighting setup. I won't be shooting that part because I'm setting it up for the first time, so I'm gonna focus on it. But you can find several helpful YouTube videos or blogs which can help you set up your stuff. But I'll make sure I'll share the links in the description box for all the products that I've been using, so that you can also get its reference and get its tutorial and everything before you buy it. So meet you in my cinematic setup. Alright, so my lighting setup is ready, but it's not on yet. I'm still in the room lighting. क्योंकि proper lighting के effect के लिए what you have to do is you have to turn everything dark. You have to turn the whole room dark. So let's do that now. So now my plain canvas is ready for some cinematic lights. This is a dark room where we'll now see my lighting setup and its effect. First we'll turn on the key light. It's ready. Now we'll turn on the fill light. And then I'll turn on my color light or the RGB light, which you can set up anywhere in the background or near your hairs, so that it will have some subtle effect, some subtle color effect. Let's turn on that as well. So yeah, it's working. So now you can see my final lighting setup. One thing which is very important is you have to turn your room really dark wherever you are setting it up, because any form of sunlight or any other light will disturb this setup. That although I'm shooting in the daytime, I tried my best to turn my room all dark. So yeah, this is it. And after this, I'll be showing you the art of lighting, like how this cinematic lighting works, because I am really liking this effect now. I can see vast difference in the then background and now. As you can see, there is subtle shade on my hair as well, and then background, and then the light is coming properly directed on my face, which is the subject, and then there is fill light to fill in the shadows with the key light creates. So everything works in very much synchronization, but it requires a little bit of technical understanding as well. तो उसके लिए क्या करना है आपको? उसके लिए आपको मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, because that I'll explain in the next video, which will be about the art of lighting for cinematic setup.